challenge. Welcome back to the madness.
And today we are going to check if we do really share the same brain or not. And
This is the telepathy challenge. I really already know what you're gonna say.
Lies, you don't even know what I'm going to think.
Then let's see. This challenge, basically what we have to do is we'll get a word or question and without looking at each other we have to answer it and it should be same.
And if we match, then we will get a 1 point. And if we not, then one of us are adopted.
Very nice. One of us is gonna pick one shit at a time and there will be 10 rounds and at the end of the round you have to guess who won and at the each correct answer, and if we get the same correct answer each of one will get 1 point. Cool? So now it's your turn.
Okay.
Pick one shit.
Which app do Vani open first after waking up?
Okay guys, so now I'll write answer on my sheet without looking at each other. She'll also write the same answer, but at the end we have to check if we get the same answer or not.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Okay, show your answer on the screen.
I wrote so small.
What you have written, I have
It's
written
YouTube.
Snapchat, guys.
It's YouTube.
You lose 1 point here. No points for this round.
I thought she opened YouTube first.
No, I don't.
So now it's your turn to pick the one.
I'm picking this one. Okay, so this says which instant food Khushi will pick if she is on the verge of death. Okay.
Yeah.
If it's her last day, I have to guess what food she will pick.
Yes.
Okay, maybe I know the answer. Maybe not. I don't know.
Okay, done.
If I get this wrong, then we are not
I
good at
think
this.
she should die then. Instead of
No,
me.
I should not. Okay, so I have written this. I think
Idli
it's idli sambar.
I
But
asked for
she
the
loves-
instant food anyway. I
Okay.
written Maggie.
But if you wanted to get that instant, तो Swiggy या Zomato भी कर सकती है.
Yeah, but it's
You
not the
would have
instant food.
written-
Instant food is something which you can make really quick.
Okay, my bad.
It's okay.
In punishment, I'll definitely get one more question.
Yes.
Extra question.
And also she will get the punch. I mean,
इस वीडियो के बाद हम दोनों के दिल टूट जाएंगे because हमें लगता है we are very good friends, but
Yeah.
telepathy is not working. Pick one. Shit again. I hope this time we'll answer correctly.
excuse me.
इसके पास इसकी खुद की चिट आ गई है because हमने 5 questions each लिखे थे.
If Khushi and Vani casted in a movie, which character from Bollywood suits them the best?
Okay, so basically हम दोनों को each one of us के लिए एक कैरेक्टर लिखना है and अगर वो भी मैच कर गया उनमें से कोई एक भी मैच कर गया then also will get
Yeah, exactly.
ठीक है.
Okay.
एक्टर का एग्जैक्ट नेम या फिर वो सेलिब्रिटी हो सकता है.
No, a character from a movie like Queen में it's कंगना रनौत. And you.
Okay. I already know this is not going to be match.
I already know that.
We really need to have more conversation about ourselves
I think.
and also open heart conversation which we don't. Guys, हमारी गलती नहीं है. We are meeting after 3 long years and बहुत सारे choices change हो जाते हैं. So,
I don't
Okay.
think it's gonna match.
okay. Obviously, it's not going to match. Okay, so I have written खुशी के लिए आरोही from Ashki 2 and for me I am Geet from Jab We Met.
It's
What you have
shocking
written?
because I wrote Geet for me.
Oh, but I said कि अगर दोनों में से किसी एक का भी कुछ मैच होगा तो
Yeah.
we'll get points.
And Vani के लिए I wrote Sejal from जब Harry met Sejal because she is so funny and yet she is so
Okay.
into herself.
ये तो ठीक है मेरे ऊपर जा रहा है. तूने अपना गीत सोच के क्या
I
लिखा
don't know
भाई?
because sometimes क्योंकि जब मैं किसी से मिलती हूँ तो I was always into them but once they broke up with me I feel like ठीक है हो गया मेरा.
But for me guys, because I know her personally, Geet was a very chill vibe वाला character,
Yeah,
but she is not in real life. You are not.
I am a chill person, but once someone break my heart, then it's really done. Then I am like a desperate person in the whole life.
But I think गीत के पास बहुत सारी टेक्निक्स थी अपने स्ट्रेस को कोप करने की, और तेरे पास तो नहीं है ऐसी वाली कि फोन
She
करके
doesn't
गाली
have.
देने लग जाओ and then flush the name of that person.
Yeah.
Why?
I have a choice, but I didn't do that.
And एक second, Geet was an extrovert personality, but I don't think you are.
I am an extrovert person.
She is an introvert. She is
I am an extrovert person.
No, you are lying.
No, I'm not lying. That's why I wrote Geet. When I was
Anyways.
writing the question, I already mentioned that I'm going to write Geet in that.
चोर कभी नहीं मानेगा कि उसने चोरी करी है. Just like एक introvert इंसान
Let's
नहीं मानेगा
skip
कि
this
वो
part.
introvert है.
Let's skip this.
Get 0 point each, guys. But I think अगर हम एक दूसरे को half half देते हैं, it'll be fair because हम
हाँ.
दोनों ने एक character तो same लिखा है. Doesn't mean कि एक दूसरे को ही
We are
consider
trying to
किया
win,
है.
but at least we
Yeah.
lost.
But I think we have to get half point
Yeah.
each. So let's write half point here and half point here. Okay, it's my turn.
Okay. Pick the one.
Okay, I'm taking this one. Again, Khushi ka question hai, guys. If Khushi were stuck on an island, what's the one thing Khushi needs first?
I wrote such interesting questions actually.
I don't think she won't ask. She would ask for clothes. She'll
You
be
have to
happy
write down. You
without
don't have to say
clothes.
anything.
She'll be happy without clothes.
Am I?
Maybe. How would I guess it? क्या चाहिए होगा सबसे पहले? Yeah. I'm also done. I have written Khana and her mobile phone.
Food.
Khana, yay! I got 1 point. I got 1.5 point. This was
Okay.
correct. This was correct.
You only have to write one, and she did very great job.
अभी जो इंसान पूरा दिन खाते पीते सोते ही रहेगा, उसको खाने के अलावा क्या ही चाहिए
Like the
होगा?
first thing that I think about is food. It's on the only food.
Exactly. तभी मैंने खाना लिखा था.
Yeah.
मोबाइल मैंने
Thank
ऐसे
you so
exceptional
much.
लिख दिया था, but चलो कोई बात नहीं. I get 1 point.
Phone, I can survive without phone actually.
I don't think so. Anyways,
Now.
इसने फूड के आगे तो हार्ट भी बनाया है.
I love food.
Just like she is
We
going
too.
to win an Oscar award right now, and हम इस island पे
Yeah.
छुपने जा रहे हैं, guys.
It's my favorite thing to do actually.
Okay, give me the bowl.
Okay.
It's your turn. Pick one. We are already done with 3
I
rounds.
hope it's
guys.
Vani's because I haven't even picked it.
इससे पता चलता है कि I am a good listener, but she is not.
What will Vani choose? Beach vacation or mountains? Okay.
I
It's
hope
easy,
she'll
I-
get this right.
I think
And
it's
if
easy.
not,
She's gonna kill me.
then I can't lose my channel. It's a family. Okay, done. Show your answer, bro.
It's mountains.
मुझे पता था ये गलती पिक करेगी. I love summers. It's beach vacation because I'm.
But she
a
never
summer
told me
person.
anything about beach, and she didn't even mention beach or something.
या इसको लगता है मैं हमेशा कश्मीर जाती रहती हूँ तो
Yeah.
मे बी आई एम अ
Yes.
माउंटेन लवर बट इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. इसको मैंने 4 दिन पहले ही बताया था मेरे को
We
कश्मीर
really
नहीं
need to
पसंद
spend
है.
some good time together.
Exactly, after this
We have
video
some
we will.
misconceptions, guys.
She is not getting any. By
My
the way,
myth-
जिसके point नहीं होने वाले हैं, that person will get a very bad punishment, and we are gonna tell this at the end of the video.
Okay, that means I have only half point and she has the 1.5 point.
Exactly.
Okay, I'm gonna lose this, but anyways.
Okay. Take
It's my
one
choice.
shit.
No, it's your choice actually. It's your turn. Pick up.
नहीं. अच्छा या मेरी है.
She actually
Okay,
loses
which
it.
app? ये वाला I think हो गया है. हमने पहले वाले में ही आंसर किया था, नहीं अब आया है.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay. So I got the question. If Khushi got famous, what's the one thing she make her it would make her famous? Okay. तेरे में ऐसी कोई quality है that will make you famous?
I think I have a lots of quality. You just have to choose one.
वो any character from Bollywood जिसको हमेशा खाना ही पसंद होता है और सोना पसंद होता है.
Why do you think so much about me? I can't be famous for
She'll
so
get
many
only
things.
famous by that thing, guys. I don't find
I
any
think
good
she's gonna
quality
lose
in
the
her.
point then.
Which character eats the most? Which character?
It's not about the character. It's about
It's
the
about a
quality.
quality.
Yes. Okay. If she picked it wrong, then I'm gonna kill her because I recently told her about
You
it.
haven't even answered one correct answer of me.
Let's see.
Okay, so I have written foodie and fashionista. Again, मेरे को तो ये लगता है
It's
इसलिए फिर मैं
cooking.
सोचती है. Food
I
and cooking are same. A person who is foodie obviously will cook and will make others cook.
What you wrote?
Foodie and fashionista. Guys, this will be unfair if I won't get points for this answer.
What's the relation between foodie and food? Cooking and foodie. Foodie is
Foodie
something
is a-
who eats lot, and cooking
नहीं,
is something
foodie
who
is a
cooks
person
lot.
who cooks himself also. It's not
Okay.
just about
Okay.
talk करना बाहर
Okay,
जाके.
ले लो point.
अरे it's not about the point, but इसने cooking लिखा है and foodie is also a person जो खुद भी cook करता है, सामने वाले को भी कराता है, तो खाने से related ही.
Okay, ठीक है. Then she have 2.5 point and 1.5 point.
Exactly. Your turn.
बंद ही कर दिया. 4 rounds are still left. I can still win.
Maybe or maybe not.
Vani's dream collab: Imran Hashmi or Salman Khan. It's
She
too
should have
easy
get
for
that
me.
right.
Why? ये तो मेरी रग रग में बसा हुआ है.
गलत किया तो डाला था तेरे पे, तो मेरी बहन
मुझे
नहीं
घर से
करती
निकाल
है.
देगी अभी.
हाँ, exactly.
It's Imran Hashmi, guys. Always
Oh.
Imran Hashmi.
She wrote it correct this time. I have also written Imran Hashmi, guys.
Yes, I got the 1 point.
He is the person I really want to collab in my future.
Yeah. So how much point did I get?
1.5.
And you?
2.5.
Okay.
Still, you have to get 1 point.
Now
extra
it's
to
your
me.
turn.
Would Vani prefer gold, rose gold, silver jewelry? लिखेगी है. अपने पर्सपेक्टिव से देखकर लिखेगी. But अगर इसने थोड़ा सा भी नोटिस किया होगा तो maybe she will get which color in jewelry I like. If it is gold, rose gold or silver. मेरी मम्मी कैमरा के पीछे से she's saying.
It's only up to me. She didn't even help me, okay?
हाँ, मम्मी को हेल्प नहीं करनी चाहिए. Exactly. Okay. I really want to. मुझे पता था she will write rose gold, but my answer is gold, guys.
I first wrote gold and. Okay, ठीक है.
Have you ever seen me wearing?
See,
Rose
I
gold
wrote
color.
gold only and then I added rose.
Once I used to love rose gold, guys, लेकिन नहीं, अभी gold पसंद है.
1.5.
Yeah, I got 2.5. बहुत ही बुरा स्कोर चल रहा है, guys. तो मैं भाग गई.
What color would Vani dye her hair if she could?
ये इसे मैंने कल ही बताया है. अब इसके अंदर इतनी शर्म, तमीज, लज्जा कुछ तो होगा कि
Shut up, focus.
she'll answer it correctly.
Okay, I have
Even मेरे गली के बच्चों को भी पता है.
done.
Done. गली का.
Blue.
It's blue. Correct.
Like I have a very good memory.
Okay, guys, अभी हम दोनों के स्कोर एकदम इक्वल पॉइंट पर चल रहे हैं. And I think the last question is left. Only one
Yes.
question is to go.
What's the score?
2.5 and 2.5 each.
Okay.
Okay, तो देखते हैं who will get this answer right. And again, अगर फिर से अगर दोनों का ही incorrect हुआ और अलग हुआ कुछ तो दोनों
हम
को
एक
तो-
और चीट
Yeah.
बनाएंगे and Mami will make it.
Okay, my mama will make it then. So the question is, what word Khushi thinks describe her the best? इंसान
It's-
अपने सपनों में तो कुछ भी सोच लेगा, अब उसको डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए तो सामने वाले पे डिपेंड करता है ना.
The question is, what word Khushi thinks describe her the best?
अब खुशी के ब्रेन में जाके मैं कैसे देखूं?
I don't know. It's the question. It is what it is.
I think मैं इस पे पैराग्राफ लिख देती हूँ.
It's only a one word question.
Okay, I have written 3 words.
I don't think it's gonna match.
Okay,
You
so
can't.
My answer is smart, savage, and cool.
Okay, I wrote stylish.
That you think.
Why are you looking at?
That you think. That is
Yeah,
up to
I
you.
think like that.
Well, we both lost the point here, so I'm giving one paper to my mother, and now she is going to question one thing that we'll both will answer for the last time.
Let's do this. बंद कर देती हूँ.
Guys, मम्मा ने फाइनली हमारा क्वेश्चन लिख दिया हुआ है. लेकर आओ मम्मा. मम्मा ही ला रही है, हमने नहीं लिखा है.
Exactly.
I'm gonna take this.
Okay.
So she
We
has
actually don't know what the question is.
खुशी फूड में क्या खाना बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं करती.
Exactly. ये मैंने अभी परसों ही बताया था.
ऐसे तो बहुत सारी
Actually-
चीजें that she don't like, but ठीक है.
Recently.
Done. I think it's rajma and dahi that she don't like.
I don't know why she did that, but it's curry. I recently said that
But I
don't
have
like
written
curry.
dahi ना. dahi का इसको कुछ नहीं पसंद है, ना इसको लस्सी पसंद है, ना कुछ पसंद है. She don't.
So she's
like to have
comparing dahi with curry. There's no any similarity between
अरे but
that.
that's a cheating. इसको कड़ी इसलिए नहीं पसंद है कि वो दही की बनती है
हाँ,
और ये
kind
दही
of.
नहीं खाती है. ये नहीं खाती.
Yeah.
इसका आंसर मम्मी को देना पड़ेगा कि कौन करेक्ट है. ये सही में दही नहीं खाती है.
So what do you think?
No, she want to
हाँ
have.
बट ये दही नहीं खाती है, बट इसने कड़ी फिर भी खा ली थी कल.
हाँ
Exactly.
एग्जैक्टली. कड़ी खा ली थी, दही नहीं खाई थी. तो तेरे को जो नहीं पसंद है दैट इज दही, नॉट कड़ी.
Okay, but I wrote curry anyways.
Anyways, fair. I got point. Now it's her
Okay.
punishment time. मैं इसको पेन दे रही हूँ and I'm giving her 2 minutes of time. मैं अपने फोन पर टाइमर लगा रही हूँ and she have to write at least 20 words for me that describes me.
What
It's
a
her
punishment. What a
It's her punishment. अब ऐसा नहीं कि कोई भी एडजेक्टिव उठा के लगा देगी, but it's her punishment.
It should be a word or it should be a sentence.
Word. Okay guys, and her time starts now. She get 2 minutes to write 20 words for me on a paper that describes me, and that's a punishment.
Okay.
And अगर मुझे ये अच्छी लगी तो ठीक है, and if not, she'll do any other punishment also.
That's not fair. That's what I think about you. You
Your
cannot
time
judge me
is
on that
going,
basis.
bro. 16
Okay.
seconds already.
Okay.
खत्म. हाँ, एक और चीज. अच्छा ठीक है, मैं दूसरी punishment नहीं दूंगी, but she have to complete this task within 2 minutes.
Okay.
29 seconds. खत्म.
Wait, it's too fast.
33 seconds finish.
And
And
how
1
can I
minute.
write it?
1 minute over. मम्मी उसको बता रहे हैं कि वानी is lazy तो write lazy.
Yeah, so write lazy.
I am not lazy. मैं से ज्यादा काम करती हूँ. 1 minute 52 seconds. Only 7 seconds. Only 5 seconds left. 1 minute 55. 58. 59. Over. 2 minutes over.
Okay. जितना मैंने लिखा, I think it's too much.
ठीक है, शुरू करो.
She's innovative. She's
Okay.
creative.
Okay.
She's stylish as hell.
Okay.
She's a little bit foodie.
Okay.
Fashionable as well. And she loves journaling. I guess she's into journaling so much, and she's very good journal sketching.
Okay.
And she's encouraging and smart too. And she's a very good motivator.
Encouraging and avoid next only breakup वाला part I think.
Nahin, in any friendship and all.
Okay.
She is a kind of lazy person.
I am not.
She is lazy.
अगर
She
तुम लोग को
is
चाहिए
lazy.
ना, मैं इसकी सुबह से लेकर शाम तक की पूरी वीडियो बनाऊंगी. बिना इसको खाए.
Ask her something. She is lazy.
Okay, I am.
Post your daytime.
Okay.
She is kind though, and she is brief. Like she have to mention each and everything if she start talking. She cannot complete a story in just a single word. She will define it in a brief way.
हाँ क्योंकि
She
मैं
is
accept कर रही हूँ. I'm an extrovert, but ये इंसान accept नहीं
I am an
करता.
extrovert person, right?
You are not extrovert person.
Anyway,
Extrovert
it's just her
person
thought.
speaks a lot.
It's her thought.
Well, okay, thank you so much. I literally love the words she have written for me. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked it.
And if you like it, then give it a big thumbs up and subscribe.
Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next
Bye.
video with more amazing content.